Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both workbooks side by side so you can reference them directly. First, decide which file will contain the live link and which will be the source. Click the destination cell, type equals, then switch to the source workbook and click the cell or range you need. Excel will build a formula like equals source. XLSX sheet 1, $1. Once done, press enter to create the external reference and make sure calculation is set to automatic so updates propagate. Now focus on robustness. Convert critical ranges to named ranges or Excel tables so links don't break when rows are inserted. When creating formulas, use $1 for fixed anchors and relative references when you intend to copy formulas across. If you must combine multiple sources, use index/match or XLOOKUP rather than VLOOKUP to avoid column order issues. Also, wrap external references in IFER to catch #ref or and provide fallback values. This prevents cascading errors in dashboards. To finish, test updates by closing and reopening destination files. Excel should prompt to update links. Go to Data, edit links to manually update or change source paths, and consider breaking links to freeze values when needed. Make sure source files remain in place or use UNC paths to avoid broken links from moved files. If something fails, check that file names, sheet names, and named ranges match exactly, and verify calculation mode is automatic. One small typo is often the cause of a broken link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.